Let's just try the first one. It doesn't look great, but the multiplayer is what makes it great. See, that was the biggest bonus of being a kid and growing up with something like the Amiga. You don't care too much about graphics, I feel. You're just caring about, is it fun? And I think this is just one of these cases where it can look whatever it wants to. Like, if it's fun, that's important. Okay, I have this glaring feeling that this game really cuts off the levels. It does. It has a shitty viewport, it seems. Yeah, but this super realistic graphics thing also doesn't work that well, does it? Okay, that was unlucky for this guy. Let's bait him on, there we go. Okay, he's passed, that's good. Okay, the AI was weird here. We're missing fruit? Oh, one of them has fruit, probably. Come here, boys. Ah yeah, he had that lemon. Yes. I'm always drifting towards games that have a retro aspect to it, not like modern looking games. Because I want the gameplay to be outstanding, not the graphics. I mean, Shovel Knight, respectively, for what it pictures, is a great example, I think, and I feel. Let's wait, because he's gonna climb over there. There we go. Just as a security measure. Okay, no, wasn't needed. Oh, they're all doing top spawns again, which was to be expected. Ah, that was stupid. Hey, it worked out. It worked out. Oh, he's not interested in it? Oh, he was blocking the other guy. What you would expect, huh? So now give me the fruit that you guys had stored up. Yes, sir. I'm sad that they didn't get the lemon, because now I need to double tap, potentially. Oh, not at all. Then it's actually nice having the lemon there. The Shovel Knight is maybe one of those games that I want to run again soon. It was just such a fun game. Shovel Knight is so cool. So much content, but then again, Mina the Hollow is about to come out somewhat soon-ish, let's call it. Okay, we had a soft lock on the left blocks because somehow the game is having a hard time displaying correctly. So I'm going to see if that is... Oh. That was not a persistent issue on these here, so... Let's take them one by one and see what's the flavor with this game. Because that it cuts off the viewport is still a bit weird to me. Aha. So there are some ghost blocks. That's just how the game is. There are just some ghost blocks. But since the game doesn't force us to be super quick about it, we can just do our thing. I mean, having the ladder here, for example, is a... Interesting. Does that mean we need to... How do we approach, though? I have an idea, I have an idea, and have an idea, have an idea. Approach like this. So they made this on purpose. Trap floors are great in these. It always comes back down to this part of, okay, this means I need to sit down and remember everything about this game in order to play it. Otherwise you're gonna die and get soft lock in specific spots and you're not gonna be happy about it. This means again that we need to take the second from the left bar and drop down. The soft lock aspect is the only thing that's triggering me a bit, Demi, but then again I think... If I think back about the days when my dad had his friends over and they were playing Amiga... Okay. How am I supposed to get this one then? How am I supposed to get the apricot then? I'm dropping in the middle, if I dig, and I'm dropping on the right. Yeah, and the manipulation is the hard part, I feel. Okay, let's see. Oh, that was stupid. Let's see if that does anything. Because in some games, you know, you can take away the ladders. But not in this one. I played Load Runner not too long ago, the arcade versions, and they're so tough. Incredibly difficult, I feel. What is up with this solid block here, by the way? Because we cannot dig on it, which is... I get that. So let's try this. I'm doing this, yeah, and then you drop through this one. And we cannot get the apricot. So we know that from the apricot block, the left 3 blocks, let's call it 1, 4, and 7, non-block notation, are off charts. So if I drop here for the 3, 6, and 9, guess what? No luck. So the only solutions I have left is, because we cannot stand on 7 and 9, so digging is not an option. D, when we drop here, do we have a hidden ladder? Can't you dig from the rope? Sadly, I can't. You can do stuff like that, like you can chip, but you cannot approach from it. I'm pretty sure there's a solution to it. Oh yeah, I can do that, but... what would it help me? Because I can only dig that one piece here, right? From this one here, you mean? Starting from the middle one, digging this one... or you... You mean starting from this block, the 8? In numpad notation, this was a num block. Starting from the 8, digging away the 9? No. You mean digging away... I dig away the middle. Yeah. Then this one. So smart! Damn! Demi played these... Oh, we need a Demi award. He has a brain for an avatar. I now see it. I now see it. I get it now, Demi. I get it now. Alright. Okay. Oh! Oh, okay. I thought we were soft locked there for a second. I think there's the soft lock here. That's what I'm a bit afraid of, because it was the soft lock before. I don't want to be soft locked again, you know? But I think I know how to approach it. I think I know how to approach it, so that's okay. Work call. You do a work call, sir. Okay, now we need to figure out the watermelon. We need to figure out the watermelon. Can we do a straight drop from here? Oh, we can. Nice. Okay, but what's the next level? What does the next level have in store for us? That's for Chink's viewport. Okay. Fruity. And we're all at the way at the top. Oh, you're back. That was a quick call. If it's not too much of private information for you, Demi, what do you work, by the way? Or what kind of work is it? That's just kind of an interest I got there. Huh? Look at him. Someone's getting cheeky here. Ah, now he's gonna die for it. Someone else is going to pick up that lemon, yes. I like how they instantly are like, yeah, nope. Ah, I have an idea. I have to do it like this, then this, and then I could fall through in theory. Did he have the lemon? He did have the lemon, yeah. Yeah. Oh no! Oh, that was a close call there. I thought I can risk it. Think again. Oh no, I wanted that lemon. No! Ah! See, now I was contemplating on my decision for hours and that's what I got. Oh! You seen that? That was a flamethrower, right? I don't remember how the flamethrower works exactly again, but I know it works. I think we're about to find out. Oh, strawberry? There we go. Oh, we can burn away walls that way. But the ladder's to the very right now. Okay. That we can do. Oh, we can burn away walls with the flamethrower. That's nice. That adds a bit of depth to the game. That's some fiendish layout there. So we gotta be fast here. So the question is, okay, we can crack stuff away at least, which means we need to go. I fucked up already. It's over. I'm gonna kill myself. Yeah, I should have just run into him, but this way I can think. I think we need to start fast. because only 2 per side. Can go like this. And now, pixel perfect. I sadly need to take care of him like that. I think this is the only way I can make it. Please freeze up. Yeah. Okay, how far can we take it? No, that's not gonna work. The safest way is going not to the very bottom. Taking it slowly, actually. Oh, wait. Oh, that's a level skip. Interesting. I thought we're just gonna be double as quick now. Okay, if we get the yellow lock, which is at the very... Wow, with this viewport is so hard to tell. We go 4, 8, 7, 6. So I want, first of all, I want the red one. So I can just take. No. Ah. The question is if I can find a blower or something, otherwise I don't know how I should get down there quick enough. Let's start to the very right. Let's take it apart piece by piece and see if we can find an... Yeah, no mixed mistakes. And if I'm right, I have to do rasterized. But the controls for these games, you know, it's just... You gotta be very precise. And see how fast they respawn. You get more time? Probably, yeah. Oh no. Okay. Huh? That was a weird level. It already has skip at the bottom. Whatever. Oh, I cannot dig this one. Okay. So I need to drop. Oh, I'm dead already. Except for me to do here the Buddha Paloo turbo action. Oh, he's running away. That's fine by me. Gonna meet your end one way or another. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Those are all ghost blocks. That's why. It's like this game has a lot of ghost. Oh, you cannot go up there. You have to go all the way to the left to be eligible for... Oh, come on. The more you know. Oh, game over. Okay, 28,790.